Farooqui, and I am representing Sheikh Vilayat Ahmed Sons. I am the director of the company. We are approximately a 35-year-old company. It's a family business, and we are basically dealing in switchgear products and controls and machinery. We are representing about 7 to 8 big brands from all over the world, mainly LS, Fuji Electric, Schneider, and Shizuki. And we've been serving the industry for a very long period, and it's a good exhibition which I think is a good way of for all the customers and for all the exhibitors to meet. And I think it's a good initiative which needs to be supported by the government and by all the relevant authorities so that maximum participation is there. And I think it's a good opportunity for everyone to interact with each other, and for Pakistan to show that it's a peaceful place and that people can visit, and for good for business too. And regarding the product range, we specialize in switchgear products which may be used in industrial products or residential uses. And you can have a look at our company's portal at our website, which is www.vilayat.com.pk. Otherwise, we have our offices based in Karachi, Lahore and Islamabad, and that's it.
My name is Zubair Farooqui, and I am the director of Sheikh Vilayat Ahmed and Sons, dealing in electrical switchgear control products, and we are representing well-renowned manufacturers and companies of the world in this field, such as Fuji Electric Japan, Schneider Electric France, and LS, which is basically LG group of companies from Korea, LS Electrical Switchgear Products. We are dealing in Shizuki power factor capacitors, and then in controls we are dealing from Hanyang from Korea. Likewise, we are dealing in controls instruments also from Taiwan and a little bit from the Korea. Well, we are trying to cover the complete switchgear products or the low voltage switchgear products for the panels, like circuit breakers, magnetic contactors, circuit breakers, relays, timers, push buttons, which actually are used in vastly used in the industrial sector, in all type of industries, as well as in construction, houses, any sort of installation. They cannot be run without these control switchgear products. We have a network of our dealers throughout Pakistan, and we are distributing these products through our dealers network, as well as we are supplying these and delivering these products by ourselves also for the bigger projects like oil and gas, sugar, chemical industry, any industry which requires and which actually cannot be run without this. But electricity is just like blood which is running in your body, and no body can work without the blood, so no industry and no installation can work without the electricity, and that electricity is being controlled by this switchgear. We are established for last 25 years, and we have a great knowledge of this Pakistan market. It is definitely booming. We have a definitely at the moment problems because of the closure of the industry, as well as the shortage of the gases and the petroleum sector in Pakistan. However, this market is growing, and if these things are controlled, this will grow more and more in Pakistan. I informed you about the different product line of our companies. The first company which we are representing is LS Electrical Switchgear Company from Korea. They are the biggest manufacturer in Korea. They have got about 70% share. They deal in circuit breakers, magnetic contactors, inverters, and different other controls. One of the biggest company is Schneider Electric from France. They deal in almost complete range of electrical and electronics and the power products for circuit breakers, controls, inverters, which we call as frequency drives, Well, they are the leader in almost in the world for the electrical power products. Fuji Electric Japan is the leader in the Japan for the switchgear products. We deal in their control products and the switchgear products like circuit breakers, contactors, relays, starters, timers, which are vastly used in any type of industry. Then we have another company which we are dealing in the controls is from Korea, which is Hanyang, and they are providing complete range of control products such as temperature controllers, proximity switches, photo controllers. They are dealing in the digital panel meters, limit switches, and all kinds of controls for the industrial use. That is a brief idea about all the products line which we are dealing in. Thank you.